Step into the world of modern web design with Trydo, the ultimate React agency and portfolio template designed to elevate your online presence. With its sleek design and developer-friendly code, Trydo offers everything you need to showcase your creativity and professionalism. Whether you're a creative agency looking to impress clients or a startup business ready to make your mark, Trydo has you covered. Corporate business is built for new or startup business companies, offering all the sections you need to showcase your services and attract clients. With Trydo, you can create a professional online presence that sets you apart from the competition. Interior design is perfect for interior agency companies looking to showcase their work and attract new clients. With its stunning landing page feature, Trydo makes it easy to hire your clients and showcase your design expertise. Trydo comes packed with features to help you build the perfect website. With 19+ home variations, including options for creative agencies, personal portfolios, startups, and more, Trydo offers unparalleled flexibility and customization options. From Bootstrap compatibility to SaaS availability, Trydo has everything you need to create a modern and responsive website. With fast loading speeds and cross-browser support, Trydo ensures that your website looks great and performs flawlessly on any device. Elevate your online presence with Trydo, where modern design meets developer-friendly code. With its easy-to-use interface and dedicated support, Trydo is the perfect choice for anyone looking to showcase their creativity and professionalism online.